Okay, now that I made my jig, you see I measured over exactly 1 1/8 inches up, 1 1/8 inches over, centered my hole. Now I'm ready to put the holes in all these doors, no matter which way they swing, with just this one block. I've already predetermined my drill size for the screw. In this case I'm using a 3/16. Makes a nice, perfect hole for this, so here we go. Door number 1. Try to get out of the way of the camera here. Door number 2. Door number 3, opposite swing. What we do is we just flip the block the other way. And door number 4. There you go. And they're all lined up perfectly centered. Saves you a lot of time. That was one measurement, made 4 holes. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to go. Thanks. Hope that helped.